Hey, today I will show you how to do a blade change on the StripMeister. Get the replacement kit, comes out of 3 parts, M4 Allen key, the blade and a pin if necessary. So just loosen off the 4 screws on the top and remove. Don't worry about any realignment, the machine will realign itself at reassembly. Just pull out the top. Here you see the blade. One side the pin is flush, the other it's a little recessed. Just press the pin out. Just like that. Inspect it. If you like to use the new pin that came with it, just insert it. Insert the new blade. Press it flush with the side. Your knife is replaced. Now, reassembly, it does not matter which way. It does not matter which way the top is. Just insert and press down to hear a click, just as Lego. And the machine is realigned to its original factory settings. Just insert the 4 screws. And tighten them down. This